guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Yeah guys, today may have a little sauce for you still, but me still carry it because I am not sure if everyone have seen or heard about it. Yes, it is all about Minister Marion Hall. Yes, tongues have been wagging that she has found new love, and if that is so, I am so excited, and I know a lot of other Jamaicans and people around the world are happy for her. So before we get into the video, if you have not yet subscribed, please do so, and remember to turn on your post notification bell so you will not miss any of my videos, and please like and share this video. So without any further ado, let us get right into the video. Yeah guys, Minister Marion Hall posted a picture on her Facebook page with her and a man relaxing, and social media started speculating that it was her new man. And people have been talking. Some people all start about wedding. All this excitement started about a week ago, right? She posted a picture with this man and herself sitting in a cafe, and they were in a very relaxed position. Some people commented, "What a beautiful couple. Congratulations and blessings from the Lord, and we're happy that you have moved on," and you know, all of them sort of lovely compliment there. Some people were speculating how she looked happy and she relaxed and the whole works. However, on the picture, all she had was light lunch and good conversation. Some people were saying, well, it's just a good friend and they were just out having lunch, while one person was saying, I don't know, but from the look of the closeness and to how the two of them were sitting and relaxing, it says more than just friendship. But whatever it is, whether it's just good friend having a good time out, or it's the beginning of a relationship, or the coming out of announcing her relationship, whatever it is, we're happy for her. We all remember back in 2013 when she had that split from John, and it was not a pretty one, and we all knew how heartbroken she was because of the alleged cheating on her. So if this one is for real, kudos to her. Congrats, Lady Saw. If this is a relationship, you go girl. So comment below and tell me what you think.